Welcome to MakeEasy, and today I'll show you how to change user agent in curl. And generally, when you visit any site in a browser or with a curl get request, that it will send our current current user agent. Instead of that, we can send a different user agent. So first we'll take one different user agent. So I'm gonna copying this user agent, and you can also get it this from you just type my user agent list. Okay, and you'll get a first link, and just click on whichever that you need, and I'm going with Chrome, or I can go with okay, Chrome only fine. Okay, so I'm going to copying first one. So this is the first one, and I'm going to my terminal and just type curl. And you have to use, when you want to change in user agent, you have to give an option called -a, and you can also go with the manual of a curl. We'll get that, and you just paste this one, and after that you can use example.com. So now we got the source code, but the source code we sent an user agent, not ours. We send a different user agent. And also we'll find any other domain like crawlfields.com. So it will send a new user agent only, it get request with a new user agent, but it is not permanently redirected, right? So I'm going to be use like -l and a. I'm going to copying this entire thing, just paste it over here, and now we got it, right? We got entire source code of it, and also we are send a request with different user agent. That's it, guys. That is for the day. Hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to MakeEasy. Thank you.